Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Motorola Razr 2022. And we can do this by connecting the charger to the Gossun Smart socket, which will tell the exact statistics visible on this device. And now let's plug in the charger onto the socket. And then to the phone. It should start charging. And now we can move on to the electric tab. Right here we can see all of the statistics. And in about 30 seconds they should be stabilized. So here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.